Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the daily technical and the fundamental analysis for the day of 10th February 2023. This is to give you quick technical and fundamental analysis for today, and we're gonna go to continue to provide that analysis hopefully afternoon. As we mentioned yesterday, we were waiting this bearish pattern. However, this bearish pattern has been broken yesterday and we have started to see support level at 1858.97, and that support level might support now and might make the gold to go up again. You can see a small blue candle on the 4-hour time frame. That is an indication on the color change or buyer jumping into the market. We might see retracement toward 1869 and we might see also retracement toward 1873.89. So if that happen, then we are expecting to see the price coming back from this area down. To analyze the chart properly, we could see also that there is expansion triangular in this area, and this might be a reversal bullish button. So we got to be careful with the level at 1859. We need to see breakout below it to have a continuation going down. If the continuation down happen, then we are targeting 1833. For the fundamental analysis, today we have the GDP data from the sterling pound. That will happen at 11 o'clock, and that could move the market a lot because these currencies affecting the index of the dollar, and this GDP data is very strong data. So evening we will be having the Canadian unemployment rate, and that is also very important, and that will affect the market a lot since the Canadian dollar is part of the basket for the dollar index. Also 7 o'clock we will be having the University of Michigan consumer sentiment, and that is also highly impact indicator. So we got to watch these indicators and we got to be careful with them. So that is the analysis for today, and hopefully we'll speak to you in next analysis video. Thank you very much.